Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Larry Tumaliwan Makapalag, 41 years of age, married with three children, aged 21, 16, and 13 years old. I came from Philippines. I have experience in Hong Kong for 4 years in one employer, one couple, two children, aged 6 and 9 years old. My duties and responsibilities is to take care of two children. My daily routine, preparing breakfast in the morning. I wake up in the morning 6 a.m. I sending her and picking up in their school. And also I know how to cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, marketing, cooking, and car wash. Please use me, ma'am, because I am honestly, trustworthy, loyal, friendly, and most important is hardworking. Thank you, ma'am. God bless. See you